This is how to change between scenes using a collider in Unity 2D. So this is my game, Synthoria. It's like an AI kind of like teaching game for younger audiences, and I'm going to be using it in today's example. And here I have two scenes, so scene 1 and scene 2. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I want to quickly go ahead and click scene 1 and go to File, Build Settings, and over here you want to click Add Open Scenes. So it's going to show up right here. And then we could do the same for scene 2, but we're going to have to switch over to it. If you don't do this, you'll probably get an error. First, we're going to create an empty. Let's call this transition. So we're going to add a component and add a box collider 2D. Let me just quickly change the color to pink or something so that we know like which one it is, because there's like a lot in this scene. So go ahead and adjust it where you want the player to go before being transported. And once you're done with that, click is trigger, because we're going to check if it's triggered. Now we're going to do a really simple C# script. So let's go ahead and create a C# script and call it transition, and let's just go ahead and open that up. So before anything, what you want to do is go ahead over here, type in using Unity Engine dot scene management semicolon. This is important because you won't be able to do other things because it's part of like a different package. Let's go ahead and delete void update and void start because we don't really need that. We really only need one method, which is on trigger enter 2D. It's really simple. You get collider 2D and collision. What we're gonna do first is create an if statement. And within this if statement, we want the condition if this collision, its tag, like the thing that's hitting this box, if its tag is equal to player, then we will switch scenes. If not, it's like some random object, we don't do anything. So here we're gonna do scene manager dot load scene, and then do quotation marks, and then you type in the name of the second scene you want to go to. So for example, scene 2. That's basically it. Now let's just go ahead and open our transition object, and let's just drag in our script to the side over here on properties. Before running it, I just want to check our player has the tag player, and let's go ahead and test it to see if it works. Okay, so it looks like it works. Now in this scene, I have my character being followed by the other character, and it's kind of like a feature that I've implemented on my own. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on it, because I know I couldn't find any tutorials when I was looking for it. So yeah, I found it really helpful. So let me know if you guys want to know how to do this, or if there's anything else you're struggling with, because definitely coding this game has taught me so much, and I'd love to share it with you guys. So let me know if there's anything you'd like to know regarding game development. So yeah, see you next video. Hope you like this one.